Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in design and analysis of algorithms, topic 5, and the topic name is basic data structures. So in basic data structures, we were very much aware of linear data structures and non-linear data structures. So when we are talking about linear data structures, we are considering arrays into consideration. Non-linear data structures, we will consider trees, graphs, correct? So to represent trees and graphs, we have a basic data structure which is disjoint set. Disjoint set. Now let's see what is basic data structure and disjoint set. A data structure that stores non-overlapping or disjoint subset of elements is called disjoint set data structure. The main purpose of this disjoint set is we can add two different sets and we can merge one set into other set, that is what union operation, and we also can find the representative of a disjoint set using find operation. And we also check whether the sets are disjoint or not. You keep this in mind. These four are basic operations which we can perform on disjoint set. Adding new sets, merging disjoint sets, finding and checking whether those are disjoint or joint. Now, we'll see some example. We'll take two sets. So I'll show you this in the form of mathematical. So now consider S1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. S2 is equal to some 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what the example to understand how disjoint sets will work. Okay. After we know about how it will work, then we will come to know where it will be applicable. Let's see. Assume that two mathematical sets, S1 and S2. So S1 is what 1, 2, 3, 4. S2 is what 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I wanted to draw a graph using of these elements. So this is 1, 2, 3 and it is 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. These are what? Two different graphs. Fine. Now, what do you mean by disjoint set? The set which is not joint, that is S1 intersection S2 should be pi. There should not be any common element. That is called disjoint set. Find out that S1 intersection S2. If you have any common element, then that set is not belongs to disjoint set. Now, look at this S1, S2. Are these two sets are disjoint? Yes. Why? S1 intersection S2 is equal to pi. Now, I'll give the other example. The second example, S1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. S2 is equal to 3, 4. Now, the question is, check these two sets are disjoint sets or not. Now the answer is what? You have to find it S1 intersection S2, where it should be pi. If it is not pi, the sets are not disjoint. Now check S1 intersection S2 is equal to what? 3. That means it is not equal to pi. Hence S1 S2 are not disjoint sets. Now, so we'll see the above one. In above one, we found it. These are disjoint set. Now, so after you found it is disjoint set, so you can perform union operation. Union operation and find operations are the basic operations what we will perform on sets when if the sets are belongs to disjoint. So what is union operation? Union operation is what? Combining these two sets together. Why we have to combine? the very first point why we have to combine. So before going to know why we have to combine, let's understand to know finding operation. So what is finding? Finding operation is what? Knowing the representative set. Knowing the representative set. That means if you wanted to find of phi. Find of phi. What do you mean by find of phi? You will be knowing to which set it belongs to. So now 5, 6, 7, 8. What I am going to find? Phi element. So to which set it belongs? S2 set. Find of 6, S2 set. Find of 7, S2 set. Find of 8, S2 set. Now, when I have two different sets, assume that I have drawn some edge in between of these two sets. So now it looks like what? It looks like one complete set. Correct? So now that is so we'll take some one complete union operation set. So that is what when you perform union operation. So what we'll get here, S1 union S2, you will be going to see the complete list. Correct? The complete list. Now what is the complete list we have? So S1 union S2. S1 union S2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now find of 1. Find of 1. Let us assume that S1 union S2 is equal to S3. Find of 1, S3 set. Find of 5, S3 set. When two elements are found to be in the same set, then that graph is cyclic graph. Did you understand? This is what the advantage of disjoint sets. We will be knowing whether the graph is having cycle or not with the help of this union operation. So this is about disjoint sets. In the coming video, in the next video, we'll be going to see about how union and find operations will get performed. Thank you all.